Recertification portal allows you to aggregate all of your Con Ed hours inside of IOPS 360 to recertify your state or national cards. To get to the recertification portal, we'll click on Education and Recertification portal. If you've already began a packet, you can click on that to go ahead and go into it. Otherwise, you can create a new packet. We're going to ask you for which license and pull those expiration dates. Any education that was performed between the start date of your license and the end date will be added into the packet. From here, you can see all of the items in the packet, add any notes that you need to, review those, and if any changes are necessary, contact your training officer for those. On the Hours tab, you'll be able to drag and drop and organize these into the national standards. Something like AMLS that may be an 8 or 12-hour course will automatically be subdivided based on what other staff members have done with that same course, meaning that our artificial intelligence will give you the estimated number of hours that that course applies to for that tier of the recertification portal. Once all of your hours have been met, click the complete packet and this will go to your training officer for approval.